kids! Today we are going to learn the letter T. Can you say T?
T.
Terrific! Look carefully. Big T is written like this. T. And small t is written like this. T. Big T and small t. T and T. T is for tiger. A tiger creeps through the jungle and says, "Grrr." Do you like tigers? T is also for table. A table is where we sit to eat or play. Can you see a table near you? And T is for train. A train goes chugga chugga choo choo. All aboard. Let's say the words slowly together. Tiger, table, train. Excellent. Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big T, one line down and one line across the top. Again, one line down and one line across the top. Can you clap 3 times and say T? 1, 2, 3. T. The letter T is terrific. You learned big T, small t, and words like tiger, table, and train. Next time, we will meet the letter U.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids!